아침 눈을 떠 Turn off the light 커튼 사이 햇살이 충분히 비추는 걸 yeah. TV 드라마 movie 속 주인공 같은 아침을 선물해줘 너에게 해줄 breakfast 아침처럼 해줄게 내가 옆으로 누울 때 날 볼 수 있게 널 향해 누울게 허리를 꽉 감싸 안아줘 You're my love of love your love whoa. 둘이 나누는 인상하니 In again 선물인 걸 기분 좋은 아침이야 어제 하루는 어땠어 화장하지 못한 눈길이 널 괴롭혔니 걱정돼 내게만 들어놔 널 괴롭힌 시선은 내가 가져가 말해봐 내가 혼내줄게 난 잠에 들고 싶을 널 위해 내 무릎을 베어줄게 So have a good night So we have good night 지친 하루는 뒤로 하고 불 끄자 내가 옆으로 누울 때 눈을 뜨면 날 볼 수 있게 향해 누울게 허리를 꽉 감싸 안아줘 You're my love of love your love 둘이 나누는 인상하니 선물인 걸 So have a good night 같은 방 같은 침대에서 이른 아침 눈을 떠 Turn off the light 커튼 사이 햇살이 충분히 비추는 걸 yeah. TV 드라마 movie 속 주인공 같은 아침을 선물해줘 너에게 해줄 breakfast 아침처럼 해줄게 내가 옆으로 누울 때 날 볼 수 있게 널 향해 누울게 허리를 꽉 감싸 안아
Okay, and we are here with the hair. By the time this video comes up, it'll be more like the 4-month update, but right now it is July the 30th. And it'll be 4-month update on August the 3rd. So, well, that's the first picture I have of me wearing it, so it's probably more like the first. First clip I showed you guys me fixing the closure. That's what I did notice, that closure is kind of like sparsing out, thinning down in the front. Like, it's not doing it anywhere back here, it's just along this part is thinning, and I I'm still not sure if that's even for me or it's just the closure, because I showed you guys also the, what is it called, the loose wave hair, the hair that I dyed green at the ends. That closure is thick. It has not thinned out at all since I got it, and I got it like 2 months or a month after this hair. And so I actually had to go in and pluck that hairline since I decided not to when I first got it, but it was so thick in the front that it was driving me crazy, so I kind of had to thin it out a little bit. But this time I was a little bit more cautious with my plucking, and it's fine, no shedding or thinning out in the front of that closure. So I don't know if it's because of the type of hair that's in this closure or what. But yeah, the closure did start to thin in the front, so I showed you guys me fixing it. Down here is fine. The bundle hair, the track hair is fine. I don't have any problems with this hair. It's still just all the closure, which is just that I think it is thinning. I don't think it's just me being rough, because otherwise the bundle hair would be shedding too, which is not. So that's still my only problem. The hair is fine. It hasn't thinned out at all. This right here is the hair with just the Wet and Wavy spray in it, and I use this just when I want the curl pattern, the deep wave, to come back in and not like have that wet look. But if I do want the wet look, I will use my mousse. I don't have a problem with shedding. Let me see. One single strand. But yeah, I don't really have problems with shedding. The tangles aren't bad. It's just, you know, that nape area that always gets tangled no matter what. That's the only tangle that I really get. And like I told you guys in the 1 month update, it's not bad. It's really easy to separate. Like it's not bad. You can actually separate the hair to pull it forward, and you just do that and it's fine. This is the ends. The ends are doing fine. I haven't had to clip any of them. They're still curled all the way down to the end, and they're not rough. They're still as nice feeling as they was the first day I got them. My hair is not flat in the back, so if you can see that big lump in the back, don't come for me. But this is the hair all the way to the back. I hope I'm in frame because I don't actually know. This is it. It's not stiff, it still moves. Still has body to it, and it's still nice. So yeah, that's the update on this hair. It wasn't much to show you guys really, because this hair is holding up so well, and I would recommend getting it from 𝓊𝒿𝒄𝓃 because that's the only place so far that I've seen that has it for such a low price. So yeah, tell me if you guys are interested in it and you're going to get it, or you have gotten it and you like it. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I got a lot of work to do, not feeling it, you know. My homies calling up all night to get a full shot, but baby, I'm too lazy for this shit, so fuck.